Hi, Chris Saunders here, Integrated Communications, and today I want to talk about taking a holistic approach and a holistic view of deploying mobility to your mobile workers. Truck drivers, delivery drivers, field service workers, construction company, people in the field. The bottom line is this: there's a multitude of components that makes a mobility project successful, okay? A lot of people get hung up in, well, I can get this tablet cheaper here, or I found these mounts online cheaper here, or I don't even know about this MDM software, and they just wing it. Let me tell you, that hardly ever plays out good, okay? Now, we've been doing this a long time. We've gotten it down to a science. I have a philosophy called GSM, Gear Setup and Management. Let me break it down for you, okay? These things are like a three-legged stool, all right? And if one of them is weak or is missing, that stool is eventually going to turn over, and guess who's going to be left picking up the pieces? You. So let's start with G, gear, all right? You need the right gear, the right mobile device, the right case, the right mount, okay? In the hands or in the truck, okay? Is it rugged? Do you require someone to get under houses or to climb on trailers? Is there a chance that it could be broken, right? You need to be thinking about what the environment is and the user, who's going to be using it. You know, does it need to be a tablet? Does it need to be a rugged tablet? Is it a consumer tablet that we can ruggedize? Is it an iPhone that we can OtterBox it up, slap a tempered glass screen protector on it? Is it an inherently rugged phone like a CAT S42 or Sonom? It's important to have the right gear. When you have the right gear, it typically performs better. Number two is S, setup. There's a difference between loading an application that, like a Service Titan or Omnitrax or Samsara or OnFleet or whatever. There's a difference between loading the application and then sending them out the door, and loading the application and then optimizing the device, changing the display settings, changing the Bluetooth, the Wi-Fi, changing the security settings, GPS accurate, all these things that need to be done to set that device up to run successfully. And are you using mobile device management software? Is something you should really think about, because you can load all those applications, you can send them out, but if you don't have MDM software to manage that device, to lock it down and push and pull updates, that's going to get into the next, which is M. You really need MDM software, okay? Next is M, management, GSM management. These applications are mission critical. They have constant updates that have to be sent to them. Okay, how do you do that? Do you just leave it on your driver or your field tech to just see an update's available and press the OK key and follow the steps? Or do you plan that update and you work with a company, or you use MDM software and you schedule the update after hours so that it does not impact the user? I mean, again, think about this. Three-legged stool. If any of these components are weak, it's going to tip over. And again, I'm going to remind you, you're the one that's going to have to be picking up the pieces. Or you could partner with Integrated Communications, where we have gotten it down to a science. We've cracked the code on mobility deployments. GSM, the right gear, the right setup, the right management, giving your end user the right mobile experience. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'd love to help you.